Hey everybody, this is one of my favorite views where I'm up on a sand hill looking down at our hayfield. And this is what we've been working on for the past couple days. And you can see I've got just finished raking. Gosh. Got the rake put up, about to take it home. And I'm taking some video of William baling and then all the bales and our cattle barn here. So just admiring the view. One of my favorite places to take a look. It's probably about one of the tallest hills around. What are you cutting? This is alfalfa and grass. The alfalfa's kind of given out. It's been, gosh, I think it's been about 10 years we've had this in alfalfa, this hay. So the alfalfa's given out and the grass is taken over. We're going to fence this whole area, and eventually we're going to pasture it all, but once that alfalfa does give out all the way. So that right over there where you see between the bales, that area right there is really rough ground. So we're going to fence that first and pasture that first. So it is a perfect day out. It's just a little warm, but nothing oppressive. It's just perfect weather. It's just amazing. This week has been so nice. I love the 70 degrees. Today it's a little, ooh, look at that dirt dust devil. Thank you so much for watching my video. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, and if you already have, here's another video for you to watch.